This video is sponsored by AppMaker. Welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything about WordPress. And today, we're going to see how we can add UPI payment method to our e-commerce website. Let's get started. UPI or Unified Payments Interface is a system set up by National Payment Corporation of India that facilitates digital payment and collection from multiple bank accounts in a single UPI payments app powered by any bank participating in the UPI payment program. So, UPI payments is a win-win scenario for both the customer and the merchant. The UPI payments allows people to send or receive money irrespective of payments platform on which they are registered. So first of all, you will need to install a plugin which is UPI QR Code Payment Gateway. The link to the website will be linked in the description. And click on download and it will install a zip file. Let's head back. Go to dashboard, click on plugins, add new, and click on upload plugin. Choose the downloaded zip file, and click on install. Click on activate. Now let's talk a bit about our sponsor. This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description. Now the plugin should be activated. Let's head over and set it up. Click on settings. Make sure this is enabled. Now here we will add our UPI ID. And then if we want to save our customer's UPI ID, we'll click on hide field. Now click on save changes. Now let's head over to our website and buy a product. Now as you can see, we can pay with our UPI QR code. Let's enter our details. Now as you can see, so we can scan this QR code. Now let's scan it and pay the amount. Now we will confirm our payment. Now as you can see, our transaction has been completed. So our UPI is working. Thank you for watching this video. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.